Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Cancer at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Ngayon po, tingnan natin kung ano yung mensahe na makukuha natin sa pagbasa. Ang gusto nating malaman ay ano ba yung mga mabubuting bagay na parating ng inyong kapalaran o sa inyong buhay. No? What good things are coming your way? Ang gagawin ko po kasi self-indulgence, love call, and camera. Hahatiin po natin sa tatlo yung reading. Bali po, titignan natin ang inyong kaperahan, trabaho, career at business. Kung may business man kayo. Pangalawa is yung pamilya. Pangatlo is yung love life. Okay? So, ang nakuha natin dito is self-indulgence, love call, and camera. Okay? Tignan natin sa tarot. We have the Ten of Wands, Queen of Wands, the Six of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. Bottom niya is the Emperor. Okay, Cancer. So, yung tinitignan natin dito, first card mo is the Ten of Wands. Umpisa pa lang, meron ka ng gustong matapos o tapusin o hopefully tapos na ito na pinagdaanan mo pagdating sa iyong career, sa pera, sa negosyo, sa trabaho. Nahirapan ka no? There were very difficult for you, napakahirap at very challenging, no? Yung pinagdaanan o habang kung ngayon pa lang yung pagdadaanan mo, pero kung nakaraan na to, napagdaanan mo na. Kaya gusto mo rito na since napakahirap na, challenging, sinasabi mo ayaw mo na, you don't want it anymore, tinatapos mo na to. So it is an ending, yung pagtatapos ng pagdadala ng hirap o ng mga sabihin natin ng mga trials or difficulties, no? Pagdating do sa aspeto ng career, pera, pagnegosyo. Okay, so ito with the Queen of Wands, gusto mo kasi yung ma-express yung sarili mo, who you really are, no? Yung kung sino ka talaga in terms, lalo na pagdating sa yung creativity mo, yung gusto mong mailabas, yung gusto mong masabi o gusto mong ipakita, no? Kung ano man yung trabaho mo o ano man yung negosyo mo, you really wanted to let people see how good you are in what you're doing. It brings you back, no? It brings you back to old memories or old doings or something na binabalik ka sa nakaraan na nagdulot sa iyo ng, in a way, I would say, lessons, no? Lessons to be learned. that, you know, may mga bagay talaga na sometimes we, in a way, regret na meron tayong ginawang mga hindi tama o pagkakamali. Lalo na sa ating pagnenegosyo o pagkakaroon ng investment or something to do with the career that we took or yung work na kinuha natin o tinanggap natin. But it is not the end, no? Hindi ito yung talagang kung gabaho desperate na wala ng pag-asa. With the Four of Cups, there is an offer, no? A new offer na talagang gusto mo, that you would love to do. But the thing here is, parang you're still contemplating, pinag-iisipan mo pa, o hindi mo masyadong, kung gaba, hindi napapansin o hindi mo nakikita na merong parating. Kasi ang namumuo sa'yo, yung hindi maganda mong na-experiensya sa nakaraan, which is punong-puno ng pangloloko, panlilin lang, sabihin natin pagnanakaw, pagsisinungaling, all of those things that I've mentioned are really very negative, hindi ba? Kaya kung gaba ikaw dito, talagang iniisip mo muna ito na ba talaga yung tamang path o tahak na yung dapat ko idaanan o kunin o gawin? Kasi natuto ka na it really kung gaba parang you keep going back sa past, no? You keep going back sa past. Kasi nga, ang nagdulot nito sa yung kahirapan is matindi. No? Matindi. Kasi hindi siya kaaya-aya, no? But the thing is, what is important is you have learned a very important lesson, no? Sa nangyaring ito. And you wanted to, of course, come out to be the best, no? Yung pinaka sa ginagawa mo. And that is good. Kasi lahat tayo nag-i-aim to reach that success in life. But of course, going up the ladder, yung pataas na yan, hindi lahat yan smooth sailing. May mga bumps on the road talaga na every now and then we would experience. And that is one scenario here na sinasabi na meron akong pinagdaanan na hindi mabuti o hindi maganda o sa negosyo ko ito nangyari, ganun. Kaya nga binibigyan tayo ng ganung sitwasyon para tayo ay matuto. Meron tayong mapulutang pag-aaral na para sa susunod ng ating tatahakin or the next endeavor that we will be doing, we know better. Okay? Mas alam na natin. Diba? Here, kasi self-indulgence, kung gaba parang kailangan dito, ito yung pagkakataon na ma-appreciate mo naman yung sarili mo. Ito na yung pagkakataon na dapat i-heal mo yung sarili mo sa nangyari. Okay? Hindi na, kasi gusto ko sabihin, hindi mo talaga may iwasan na walang hindi maganda na o walang aberya na hindi ka ma-experience. Kasi lahat tayo meron yan. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang aberya na dinadaanan sa ating buhay. And we need to heal, no? Kailangan nating ma-overcome, malagpasan itong kahirapan na to para mas maging malakas pa tayo o matibay, okay, o mas matalino, mas magaling sa susunod na ating tatahakin o gagawin. Yun, di ba? Kung gaba parang this time sinasabi dito, mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, galingan mo. Ipakita mo yung galing mo sa kanila. Okay? Yung galing mo above anybody else sa kanila. Okay? So, let us clarify. Bakit nandito yung Ten of Wands? We have the King of Swords, the Nine of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. Ano ba yung mabigat? I think you're dealing with air sign. It could be a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. So, meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. This person is really into communicating and finding out yung honest truth, no, yung katotohanan. Or you wanted, or this person wanted na mailabas yung katotohanan. Sometimes it is so kung ba parang difficult to do that, and you keep, people would keep up putting up their wall. Inaharangan nila yon kasi syempre hindi lahat kasi nakakapagsabi o nakakatanggap ng katotohanan. Dahil hindi po lahat ng katotohanan ay maganda. Majority minsan ng katotohanan ay masakit at pangit, di ba? Kaya it takes a lot of courage o tapang o lakas ng loob para tanggapin, no, yung katotohanan na yan. Bakit mo gusto yon? Kasi gusto mo ng panibagong pag-uumpisa when it comes to expressing yourself passionately. Diba? With the Ace of Wands. You want a new beginning. Kaya kung parang labas na natin yung katotohanan, let's bring out the truth, no? Sabihin na natin, mag-usap na tayo, labas na natin. Kung ibunyag na natin. Something like that, no? Kung bakit parang naging very burdensome yung pangyayari na ito. Kasi it's something to do with expressing or telling the truth. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Ten of Cups, the Moon, and the Queen of Swords. What I think you find it to be not at all truth, no? Hindi, walang katotohanan. Kung ba nagsisinungaling lang to, you're just making up stories, walang basihan, something like that. Kasi nakasalalay dito yung kaligayahan, yung kaligayahan mo. Nakikita mo na malabo, no? Ay, malabo yan, parang ganun eh. Kasi alam mo, anytime mawawala naman yung kaligayahan na yun eh. Okay? Mawawala siya. Kasi kung ba parang because you find it to be based on false accusation or false saying or false na walang basis na talagang totoo siya. Kung ba parang hindi, walang ano yan eh. Paano ito magiging how can you say na magiging happy ako kung naging basis nga is pangloloko, panglilin lang, pagsisinungaling, diba? Parang you really find it to be malabo, unclear. Kaya alam mo kasi anytime pag ganyang malabo, you just wanted to dismiss the issue. Parang wala to, hindi to kapanipaniwala, something like that. Kasi nga what is happening here dito sa iyong career, money, work, or business is hindi ka pa nakapag totally overcome o hindi ka makamove forward totally kasi nga hindi ka pa totally healed. You need to focus on yourself para nga magkaroon ka ng panibagong pag-umpisa. Okay? See here, pinapakita naman sa'yo na there is this new beginning being offered to you, but you are focusing more dito sa nakaraan, sa past, yung nangyari before. Hindi mo maalis yung pag-iisip mo doon. You keep going back, no? You keep going back to that particular incident. Okay? Na masyadong painful. Now, what is good with this sa future is you're being advised to focus on yourself, not on what had happened na masama before. Sa sarili mo, focus ka. Learn to heal. That is the good news. Learn to heal. Pag nakapag-heal ka, you will have this new beginning. And you will see things more clearly. Mas alam mo na kung anong direksyon ang dapat mong puntahan. Okay? Now, tignan natin sa family. We have the Hierophant, the King of Pentacles, the Hangman, the Two of Wands, and Justice. Bottom niya is the Devil. Okay, Cancer. Pagdating sa family, yes, of course, you are being considered here to be married or engaged to be married or in a relationship with a very stable person. No? Most probably an earth sign kasi you could actually see Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart, Cancer. And you find this person to be yung tama for you, no? Kaya you have considered or you are considering, no? Take it as it resonates kung yung particular situation nyo ngayon. If you are married to this person, then you have considered. Then kung hindi pa, you're engaged to be married, then you are considering to be married to this person. Okay? That is why you wanted to see, no, in all angles, in all aspect, no, with the Hangman, to see kung meron pang iba na bagay na dapat makita. Anything else for me to see? Parang ganun Kasi sa ngayon parang okay naman ako, nakikita ko siya na mapagkakatiwalaan ko siya, na very stable siya sa finances, sa emotion, responsible person. But you seem to be looking forward to something. No, meron ka pa rin tinitignan na mangyari. And I think it has something to do with your marriage. With Justice. These two cards, sa umpisa at saka sa dulo, are all about marriage, relationship, being in, kung ba parang getting into marriage. Ganun. I think you are looking forward na kung di pa nga kayo kasal, is magpakasal na kayo eventually, because this is what you are looking forward to, no? Yung parang dun ka nakatingin, dun yung iniintay mo, and that is why you are patiently waiting for this to happen. Though sabihin natin na there are times na yung devil energy ay nagpe-play sa iyong isip na baka hindi matuloy, baka hindi ako seryosohin nito, yung niloloko lang ako, mga ganong scenario. But you should not be thinking about that. Okay? Kasi ang card dito is a love call. So may mag-i-express sa'yo ng pagmamahal and a message of love. At pinapaalam niya sa'yo na lagi ka niyang naiisip, ikaw lang ang nasa puso niya. Okay? So, if you are waiting, waiting for that call or message, then this is the message. Maybe it's something to do with the future in terms of us getting married. A love call. Kasi kung nami-miss ka niya, definitely, nag-aano na to nagpi-play na yung kanyang emotions and mind to, I have to lock this down na. Parang hindi ko na matiis na malayo ako sa kanya o hindi maging kami. I wanted the relationship to last for a long time. Diba? Kaya gusto mo na i-offer yung marriage na to make that marriage proposal. Okay? Now, yung pagkabasa ko kasi dito, it's more of a love reading, hindi ba? Let me see kung ano yung susunod because the next one is camera. The way I see kasi this one, when it comes to family, it's more of yung family mo is really something that is stable, when yet you are waiting for something that would give you that balance, Baka your person or maybe a member of the family is far away, kaya iniintay mo siya, or you are waiting for that person or that member of that family to provide yung ano na yon, yung ba yung balance na. I think if you are waiting for that member of the family na eventually will get married, somebody kasi is going to get married. Yun ang sinasabi dito It could be you or it could be one member of the family. Okay? Kasi definitely, two of the cards are saying all about marriage. Okay? So it could be you or it could be one of your siblings na possible to get married, na iniintay mo rin, or sabihin natin you are looking forward for this occasion, of settling down, of getting married. So that would be it's a very good news for the whole family kasi yung mag-aasawa, may magpapakasal, diba? It's a good celebration. Huwag lang natin pasukan ng negative thoughts, okay? Take that off. Now, sa love, we have the Sun, the Page of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Queen of Cups, and the Six of Pentacles. Bottom niya is the Four of Wands. So love life mo, Cancer, masaya ka, no? You're happy. Happy, contented, satisfied, no? Because you got a message o passion. Nakatanggap ka ng isang magandang mensahe. Maybe an email, a text message, or maybe a card, no? Something like that, to express yung kanyang feeling, yung passion niya towards you. It was a wish fulfillment, no? Parang natupad yung pangarap, no? Na, wow, finally, nagsabi siya, nag-open up siya, ganyan. Expressing love, no? With the Queen of Cups. In-express niya yung kanyang pagmamahal towards me. And ngayon, yung ina-hope ko na lang is maging equal kami when it comes to give and take, no? Yung patas na patas talaga kami. Wala kaming lamangan, walang nasa kakahigit. Yung maging maganda at masaya, no? Lalo na to kasi yung wini-wish mo dito is magpatuloy ito na umabot kami na magkaroon ng marriage proposal at the same time for us to end up together, no? Maging kami na. Finally, maging kami na as husband and wife, no? So, yung love life mo dito, Cancer, is napakaganda. With camera, kasi this is something na I think you wanted to reminisce, no? To go back and remember how happy these things were. Sabihin natin, kung ngayon talagang may asawa ka na, nare-recall mo kung gaano mong kaligaya nung time na nakatanggap ka ng message sa kanya, na nagsabi na siya ng kanyang pagmamahal sa'yo. No, nakita mo na patas naman kayong dalawa sa pakikitungo. And eventually, yun nga, no? Naging kayo, nagpakasal kayo, and it was a wish fulfillment. Natupad ang iyong pangarap. Kaya, kung gaba, ang sarap balik-balikan. Hindi ba? Or ito yung pagkakataon na you wanted to make memories, no? Very good memories, happy memories with this person. Kasi talagang for you, this is it, no? Ito na. Wala nang hihigit pa sa dasal, sa araw, kasi siya yung nagbibigay ng init, ng liwanag, no? Ng panibagong buhay, paglaki, no? Yun yung sinisignifies ng sun. So, it is really something na talagang cherish mo, no? Yung talagang bigyan mo ng importansya o kahalagaan sa relationship, because you know this person is the one, diba? Kaya nga ito nga, gusto mo talagang maging kayo na panghabang buhay. Now, let us see, ano pa advice mo for Cancer? Listen to your intuition. Yeah? Cancer. Pakinggan mo yung intuition dyan. Whatever it is na talagang that is telling you, no? That powerful, small voice within you that is telling you, listen to it. Okay? Hindi ka niyan mamaliin. Hindi ka niyan ipapahamak. Just listen and meditate on it, okay? To make the right decision. Yun yung magandang, kung gaban, good things that will come your way. So kung kanino mang enerhiya ito nakuha natin sa ngayon, sana nakatulong ito sa iyo, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.